Howdy ArtyAliens and welcome. I am Paul Yateman. I draw stuff. In today's video, as is the case for all of March 2021, I am drawing in a style akin to HR Giga. Today I will be using a range of pencils. In real time, this drawing took me about 45 minutes. I call this work Perchicon 1. Besides the intro and exit, I will not be speaking. I am thinking of exploring the animal on the perch further in tomorrow's sketch, so stay tuned for Perchicon 2. If you were inspired to draw in a biomechanical style, share what you came up with in the comments or one of my social media outlets. Anywho, if you found this interesting, informative, entertaining, you were inspired to draw in your own sketchbook or journal, etc., subscribe, like and share, because everybody loves that. Until next time, you have been watching Drawing Stuff with me, Paul Yateman. Ciao, take care, and until next time, happy drawing.